Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 7 maths exercise 1.4 question number 3. This is specially the exercise which describes about the division of integers in the integers, how we are dividing. So the third question is fill in the blanks. 369 divided by which number, so the result will get 369. Can you tell me which number should be divided so you can get the result 369? This is the first question. As you can see in the question number A, 369 divided by which number, so the answer will be 369. Second question is minus 75 divided by which number, so the answer will be minus 1. Third question is minus 206 divided by which number, so you will get the answer 1. And the question number D is minus 87 divided by which number, so the answer will be 87. I hope all of you know about these answers. Can you tell me which number should be divided so you will get the perfect answer? You can see here in 369, if we divide 369 by 1, then what will be the answer? Can you tell me? 369 divided by 1 is equal to 369. Minus 75 divided by 75 is equal to 1. 75 1 is 75, since upper is minus 75, so that's why minus 75 divided by 75, answer will be minus 1. Third one is minus 206 divided by which number, so the answer will be 1. So minus 206 will be divided by 206, your answer will be 1. The fourth question, minus 87 divided by which number, so the answer will be 87. If we divide minus 87 by minus 1, so our answer will be 87. So this was our question A, B, C, D, especially in the exercise 1.4 question number 3. You can see the question number E, F, G, H. What does the E question wants to say? E question wants to say that dash divided by 1 is minus 87. Can you tell me which number should be divided by 1? So the answer will be minus 87. If we divide minus 87 by 1, then what will be the answer? If we divide minus 87 by 1, so the answer will be minus 87. The next question F1 is dash divided by 48 is equal to minus 1. So the minus 48 divided by 48 is equal to minus 1. G question is 20 divided by which number, so the answer will be minus 2. If we divide 20 by minus 10, how much? Minus 10. So what will be the answer? Can you tell me? 20 divided by minus 10 is equal to minus 2. H question, last question of the fill in the blanks, is dash divided by 4 is equal to minus 3. If we divide minus 12 by 4, what will be the answer? Can you tell me? If we divide minus 12 by 4, so the answer will be minus 3. So you have seen all the answers. Now I am showing you 369 divided by 1 is equal to 369. You can write this answer in your notebook. Second question, minus 75 divided by 75 is equal to minus 1. Third answer, minus 206 divided by minus 206 is equal to 1. Fourth answer, minus 87 divided by minus 1 is equal to 87. Fifth answer, minus 87 divided by 1 is equal to minus 87. See, D and E, you feel that it is the same question, right? But the symbols, means negative is at the different digits. You can see on the D question, the negative integer is minus 87 and minus 1. But if we talk about the E, in the E, minus 87 is only the negative integer. Here both are not in the negative. So that's why the D answer is in the positive. You can say this 87 is in the positive. But if we talk about the E answer is in negative, right? So the both are different questions. Now if we move towards the F question, so you can see the F question, minus 48 divided by 48 is equal to minus 1. G question, 20 divided by minus 10 is equal to minus 2. H question, minus 12 divided by 4 is equal to minus 3. So this was our question number 3. I hope all of you have liked this third number question, and I hope all of you have understood also. If it is left, then you can start writing. I'll wait for 2 seconds. You can write these answers one by one. First answer, 369 divided by 1 is equal to 369. Second answer, minus 75 divided by 75 is equal to minus 1. Written. Now come third. Minus 206 divided by minus 206 is equal to 1. Fourth, minus 87 divided by minus 1, 87. Fifth, minus 87 divided by 1, minus 87. Sixth, minus 48 divided by 48, minus 1. G, 20 divided by minus 10 is equal to minus 2. H, minus 12 divided by 4 is equal to minus 3. So this was our question number 3. Now we will move towards the question number 4. So just see the question number 4. What the question number 4 wants to say. Question number 4 is, write 5 pairs of integers a, b such as a divided by b is equal to minus 3. One such pair is 6 and minus 2, because 6 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 3. Means what? You have to find the answer. If a is divided by b, the answer should come minus 3. You have to find any two integers a and b. While dividing, you should get the answer minus 3. So because now you can see in the answer it's already given 6 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 3. Now you can see the first answer digit. Are you seeing these digits? See here, 3 and minus 1. If we divide 3 with minus 1, what will be the answer? Minus 3. 3 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So our first integers pair are 3 and minus 1. Just do reverse, minus 3 and 1 in the second, because minus 3 is also divided by 1, so we get answer minus 3. So both first and second you can see minus 3, minus 3. Now third one, 9 and minus 3, because 9 divided by minus 3 gives you the answer minus 3. Fourth, minus 9 and 3, means just you have to reverse. First you have to write and then you have to reverse. So after reversing you will get the answer. You can see here 9 divided by minus 3 or minus 9 divided by 3, both the answers will be minus 3. Similarly in the fifth we talk 12 and minus 4, because 12 divided by minus 4 is equal to minus 3, or minus 12 divided by 4 is equal to also minus 3. So this was our question number 4. I hope all of you have written this question number 4. First write question number 4 and then start writing answers. I will wait for 2 seconds. Written. Now go ahead, write these two. Written. Go ahead. Now let's come question number 5. What question number 5 wants to say is, the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would be the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? What would be the temperature at midnight? Midnight means 12 noon to 12 hours. First of all, the temperature was 10 degrees Celsius above zero, means positive integers, and per rate of 2 degrees Celsius means it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius. You can write the question in your notebook if you want to write them. I hope all of you have written this question number 5. Now let's start writing answer. Initial temperature at 12 degree noon was 10 degrees Celsius. Now change in temperature per hour is 2 degrees Celsius, and temperature at 1 p.m. will be 10 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 8 degrees Celsius. 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6, 7, 8. You can write like this. Write these answers very carefully. Temperature at 1 p.m. 8 degrees Celsius, at 2 p.m. 6 degree, 3 p.m. 4 degree, 4 p.m. 2 degree, 5 p.m. 0 degree, 6 p.m. minus 2 degree, 7 p.m. minus 4 degree, 8 p.m. minus 6 degree, and 9 p.m. minus 8 degree. Therefore, the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius below 0 at 9 p.m. Means the question was asking you at what time the minus 8 degrees Celsius temperature will be there. You can see the question as it is described very perfectly. At below you can see the answers. Therefore, the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius below 0 at 9 p.m. You can write very politely all these answers in a notebook. If you have any doubt, then you can arise your doubt. You can put your doubt. I will give you the answers in the comment box section. I hope all of you have understood all these answers. For the next question, we'll move ahead in the next video. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to write the answers in your notebook. If you have liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends so your friends can also enjoy this video. That's all for today. Thank you very much.